Okay. The last video we discussed about RF. RF is nothing but rationalizing factor. Okay. Rationalize the denominator. We already discussed about this problem. Even once we recall and we'll go to the second problem. We have two problems are there. This is the first problem and this is my second problem. See the first problem. One by 4 plus root 5. This is a given problem. And I would like to find RF of this one. RF of 4 plus root 5 is 4 minus root 5. That's all. By multiplying with this one, we get a rational number. Here clearly rationalize the denominator. Rationalize here denominator should be a rational number. It is already irrational. 4 plus root 5 is a irrational number. It is in denominator. We have to rationalize this one. We have to find a rational number in the denominator. So that's the reason. I take 4 plus root 5 and it's conjugate. This is also conjugate. 4 minus root 5 is a RF of this one. Rationalizing factor. 1 by 4 plus root 5 into 4 minus root 5 is my RF of this one. And this should be multiplied and divided with the given problem. 4 minus. Just listen. 1 is multiplied by this one, 4 minus root 5. 1 is multiplied by any number, give the same number. Divided by. This is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. We can write 4 square minus root 5 whole square. That's all. I would like to solve this one in this box. 5 plus root 5 into 5. 4 plus root 5 minus 4 minus root 5 is equals to 4 square minus root 5 whole square. 4 square is nothing but 16
minus 5.
Just listen. Square and square root get cancelled minus 16 minus 5. 4 minus root 5 divided by how much? 11. This is my answer. Why? The denominator is a rational number. I rationalize the denominator. I got 11. 11 is my rational number. This is simplified by the help of rationalizing factor. Now we are coming to the next problem. Simplify. We have to simplify the second problem by the help of rationalizing factor only. See this one. The denominator is a irrational. Here denominator is a irrational. By adding this, we get a rational. But we follow one method. You should rationalize the denominator and rationalize the denominator and then you simplify. From this one, I would like to take only first one is first. 1 by 7 plus 4 root 3 is equals to 1 by, I would like to write here better, I think. We have to follow this method. 1 by 7 plus 4 root 3. I would like to take RF of 7 plus 4 root 3. Keep in mind, is always its conjugate. Just change the symbol. 7 minus 4. By multiplying this and this, no doubt at all we get a rational number. That's the reason this is the RF of this one, this is the RF of this one. 1 by 7 plus 4 root 3 into 7 minus 4 root 3 divided by 7 minus 4. The product of these two, This is my a plus b and this is a minus b. We can write a plus b into a minus b is always equals to a square minus b square by using a plus b into a minus b gives a square minus b square. By this formula, 1 is multiplied by this gives the same result. Write it down. 7 minus 4 root 3 divided by a square 7 square minus 4 root 3 whole square. My a is 7, my b is 4 root 3. A plus b into a minus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. That is equal to 7 minus 4 root 3 divided by 7 square 49 minus 4 square. See here, 4 root 3, this is very important. 4 root 3 whole square is nothing but 4 root 3 into 4 root 3. Power says that base should be multiplied how many times? My power is 2, that's the reason I multiplied 2 times. 4 4 jar 16. Root 3 into root 3 I already explained, just 3. 16 3s are. Write it on point. Then we get 7 minus 4 root 3 divided by 1. 49. You have no need to write, I told you so many times. By simplifying this, I get 7 minus 4 root 3. Clear? Now, coming to next problem. One more part is there now. 1 by 2 plus root 5, that is equals to 1 by 2 plus root 5. It's conjugate, it's RF. 2 minus root 5. Keep in mind here plus now. We will take minus 2 minus root 5 should be multiplied and divided with this fraction. That's all. Same procedure. 1 is multiplied by this. Gives the same. 2 minus root 5 over. This is a plus b into a minus b. We can write a square and b square. Same procedure. 2 square minus root 5 whole square. 2 minus root 5 divided by 2 square. 4. Square root get cancelled. 5. That is minus 5. Minus 5. That is equals to. That is equals to how much? 2 minus root 5 divided by 4 minus 5 minus 1. This minus multiplied with this one and this one. Minus 2 plus root 5. See, this is plus, right? Plus divided by minus? Minus. Minus divided by minus?
Plus.
So now I have this value and this value. Now come to here. This value is 7 minus 4 root 3. I simplified and got this one. Now coming to 1 by 2 plus root 5. By simplifying we get
Minus 2 plus.
Minus 2
Plus root.
plus root 5. This is my answer. But see here plus is there. I take in minus here. Why? This is the minus and this is the plus. Plus into minus or minus. Now 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2, 5. After that we should write root 5 and minus 4 root 3. This is just a rearrangement. That's all. By simplifying this one, we get this one only. This is root 3, keep in mind. Oh,